Hi everyone, welcome to OhmAzing Living. I'm Carla. I'm so glad you've joined me today. We are going to start off today with a little bit of breathing and Qigong, like a little bit similar to what we did in one of my other videos, just a minute or two to get us centered and ready to go. And then we'll do a vigorous flow for just a few minutes. So let's come to just a standing position with our feet just about 1 or 2 fist widths apart, no more than hip distance. Standing up nice and tall, take a deep breath in and exhale and drop your shoulders down, back behind you. Let them sink into their shoulder sockets. And let's gently either glance down at the floor or if you can half close your eyes, enough that you can keep your balance. And we're just going to take some nice deep diaphragmatic breathing, inhaling deeply through our nostrils, allowing our belly to expand, staying for that pause at the top, and then exhaling out slowly, allowing our belly to relax, staying for the natural pause at the bottom. And go ahead and continue breathing like that for just 30 seconds or so while we center ourselves. And every time you exhale, try to elongate your exhale and relax another part of your body. Relax your jaw. Relax the muscles in your face. Nice deep inhale in and exhale it out. Begin setting an intention for your practice. I like to set the intention that I'm going to do my very best to bring service to the world today and to learn to enjoy the small things in life. Let's take 2 sips of air in through our nostrils and exhale it out. Nice audible sigh so that your ears can hear your relaxation. 2 more breaths in and excellent. Go ahead and come fully with your eyes open, standing up nice and tall. We're going to do a little bit of breathing first. So let's take our hands to our sides, right at the side of our ribs here. And on our inhale, we're going to be breathing into our chest, so we want to feel our ribs expand. So take a big breath in. Exhale it out. Try using your Ujjayi breath here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale it in. Exhale it out. One more time. Inhale it in. This time on your exhale, bring your palms together. Inhale, bring your arms out to the side, palms facing up. Exhale, bring your palms together. Ujjayi breathing. Inhale. Exhale it out. Inhale it in. Exhale it out. One last time. Inhale it in. Exhale it out. Dropping your hands down to your sides. Let's take our right hand. We're going to lift it straight up to the sky as we inhale with that Ujjayi breath. Holding your breath, dipping it over to the side, looking up underneath your arm, turning your chest up towards the sky, holding your breath. Exhale, drop your arm down. Other side, inhale in with that left arm. Dive it over to the side as you open your chest up, holding your breath. Exhale it out. One more on each side. Inhale it in. Hold your breath, turn your chest upwards as you dive yourself over to the left-hand side, holding your breath. Exhale, bring it down. Last one, left-hand side, reach your arm all the way up. Exhale it over to the other side. And go ahead and bring your arm back up and bring it down. And exhale and release. Excellent job. Let's stand up nice and tall. Our feet, again, about 1 or 2 fist widths apart. Hands down at our sides. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, tuck your tailbone towards your heels. Allow your shoulders to relax. Nice mountain pose, nice strong stance, looking straight ahead, relaxing your shoulders. Just take 2 or 3 breaths here to feel how you feel after your breath work. And your next inhale in, I'm going to turn sideways so you can see me. We're going to pick up our right leg using our left leg as our standing leg. So let's have a nice grip on the floor, grip with your toes, raise your arches a little bit. Take a nice breath in. Pick up that right leg, kick it straight back. You can have your toe on the floor if you'd like. Take your arms directly out overhead. If you can lift that right leg up off the floor, that's great. If you can't, that's all right too. And hold. On your exhale, go ahead and bring your foot back. Drop your hands to the floor as you come into a lunge. You may need to walk that foot forward just a little bit. Drop your back knee down and come straight up. Nice and tall. We're going to take this back leg and we're going to kickstand our leg over towards the left-hand side. We're going to face the front with our arms out like a warrior. This is called a kneeling warrior. Look out over that left hand. Nice, strong stance. Inhale, pull your navel up and in towards your spine. As you exhale, drop your shoulders. Nice Ujjayi breath. Flip that front palm. Reverse your warrior. Take your right hand to the back of your right calf. Really reach. Look up at the ceiling. Inhale it up. Exhale it out. One more time, flip that front palm, reverse your warrior. Inhale, come on up. Exhale it out. Go ahead and take your hands all the way up, unkickstand your foot as you turn to face towards the front. If you need some blocks here, feel free to grab your blocks. As you straighten that back leg out so that you are indeed in a forward lunge, bringing that knee forward in front of your ankle if that's in your practice. If you don't have any knee issues, this shouldn't be any problem. Inhale, bring your leg back, straighten that front leg, keep your toe pointed down as you bend over your left knee. Inhale, come on back up. Come forward on that left knee, give your right quadricep a really nice stretch here. On your next inhale in, go ahead and come all the way back up. Take that knee directly over your ankle. Inhale, come up. On your exhale, take your hands to the inside of that left leg. Untuck your back toe. Lift your back leg. And when you're ready, I want you to take that right leg, kick it straight back for a plank pose and hold. Push back through your heels. Engage your abs here. Hold. On your next inhale in, push yourself up to a downward facing dog and go ahead and pedal it out just a little bit. One leg and then the other. And when you're ready, look to the top of your mat and walk or hop yourself forward. I'll meet you in a forward fold. Maybe you grab your elbows and allow your head to hang and dangle a little bit, taking your hips directly over your ankles. Inhale, halfway lift, hands to your shins or your thighs, pull your shoulder blades together, crown of your head facing forward. Exhale, forward fold, bend your knees, push through your feet, and slowly, slowly, slowly rise up. And when your chin comes up, you can bring your head all the way up and exhale it out. Excellent job, you guys. Other side. Nice, solid standing pose. This time we're going to be standing on our right leg. We're going to pick up our left leg. We're going to take it back behind us, our toes still on the ground here. Take a nice big breath in. Take your arms up. And if you're able, go ahead and lift that back leg off the ground and hold. A little bit of balance challenge here. And on your exhale, drop that back leg down. Bring your hands to the floor. You may have to bring your right leg forward just a little bit so that you're in a low lunge with your back leg up off the floor. When you're ready, drop that back knee down and come straight up. We're going to kickstand this leg like we did on the other side. Take your arms up and out, face towards the front of your body, and look out over your right hand. Take a nice big Ujjayi breath in. Exhale it out. Dropping those shoulders. Inhale. Really breathe out through your fingertips. Flip that front palm, reverse your warrior. Take your left hand to your left calf. Inhale it up. Exhale it out. Inhale one more time. Flip your front palm and reverse your warrior. One breath here. Inhale as you pull yourself back up. Exhale it out. On your next inhale, turn to face your front knee, straighten that back leg. Go ahead and drop your hands to the floor. You can use your blocks if you'd like. Stretch that back leg out. Come forward on your right knee. Give your quadricep a really great stretch here. On your next inhale in, straighten that front leg. Try to keep your toes down as you bend over that right knee. Inhale, come on back up. One more stretch. On your next inhale in, go ahead and bring that knee back over your ankle. Take a nice big breath in. Raise your arms all the way up. And on your exhale, drop your hands to the inside of that right leg. Untuck your back toe. Lift your back leg. Swing that right leg behind you. High plank. Push back into your heels. Nice solid stance here. Wrists are directly underneath your shoulders. Push through your hands. Engage your abs here. Take a breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push through your hands. Downward facing dog. Go ahead and pedal it out for a second here. Push through your hands like you're trying to get your hips up into the corner of the ceiling. Look to your toes and walk your hands back to your feet, and I'll meet you in a forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Bend your knees, push through your feet, and let's slowly come on up. Excellent. Bring your arms all the way up and drop them down. Let's go ahead and wind it down a little bit here. So we're going to stand with our feet about 2 fist widths apart. Our hands are down at our sides. We're going to gently bend our knees just a little bit. If you need to point your toes out a little bit, go right ahead. It's not a deep bend. On your inhale in, I want you to bring your arms straight out in front of you. Palms are facing down. Inhale it up. When they come up, face your palms forward and exhale it down. So as you're coming up, bring your palms to face upward. Inhale. And exhale and start bringing your palms down. 4 more just like this. Inhale it up. Exhale it down. Last one. Straighten your legs. And let's take a big breath in as we raise our arms all the way up. Swan dive it forward. Go ahead and come down to your knees. And let's go ahead and lie on our back for Shavasana. So take yourself all the way down to the floor in whatever pose you'd like to be. Maybe when you get down onto the floor, you hug your knees into your chest. And then you stretch your body all the way out. Really give yourself a big stretch. And then go ahead and get into Shavasana. Taking a nice breath here. We're going to go into our diaphragmatic breathing here, which is a little bit different than what we've been doing. We've been chest breathing. So that's not a kind of breath that you want to use on a regular basis. It's good for breath work. But throughout the day and when you're in relaxation, you definitely want to use your belly breathing breath, your diaphragmatic breathing. So let's slowly begin to close down our eyes, taking some deep diaphragmatic breaths. Allowing yourself to relax. Relax your shoulder, unclench your jaw. Allow your eyes to become heavy in their sockets. Relax your tongue. And on your next long, long exhalation, allow your body to just sink into the mat, surrendering to the surface beneath you as you go ahead and relax in some quiet awareness for the next 30 seconds. Maybe you revisit your intention, whatever it was that you set in the beginning of your practice. Go ahead and bring some awakening movements back into your fingers and toes. Bring yourself back up to seated. And let's take one final big breath in as we take our arms all the way up. Bring our hands to Anjali Mudra and then slowly bring them down to heart center. Thank you guys for joining me for this video. Please like and subscribe below and leave me any comments. Let me know what you'd like to see. Let's take our thumbs to forehead center and let's bow to each other as we say, Namaste, Shanti, peace.